Chia seeds and chronic inflammation. What 1 tablespoon a day really does. Never ignore chronic inflammation. Because that stubborn belly fat, that brain fog, even your aching joints, they might not be random at all. They could be signs that your body is silently inflamed and it's slowly working against you. But here's the twist. Just 1 tablespoon of something sitting in your kitchen cabinet could help fix that. We're talking about chia seeds, and not in the way people throw them into smoothies just for fun. Nope. There's actual science showing what just 1 tablespoon a day can do to calm down long-term inflammation. The kind that's linked to arthritis, heart disease, weight gain, and more. And if you're someone who feels puffy, tired, or inflamed for no clear reason, this is something you need to hear. Chronic inflammation is silent but deadly. Here's what most people get wrong. Inflammation isn't just about swelling when you get hurt. That's acute inflammation, and it's normal. But chronic inflammation, that's when your body's immune system gets stuck in attack mode for weeks, months, or even years. And that's where the real problems begin. Think about it. You feel tired for no reason. You wake up with stiff joints. You gain weight even though your diet hasn't changed. Your skin breaks out or gets red easily. You can't focus like you used to. These aren't random. They're all inflammation symptoms. And here's the scary part. Chronic inflammation has been linked to almost every major modern disease, from type 2 diabetes to Alzheimer's, even cancer. So now the big question is, where do chia seeds come into this? Stick with me until the end, because I'll not only show you what chia seeds can really do for inflammation, I'll also reveal the best time of day to take them, how to prep them right, and one mistake that actually makes inflammation worse. Chia seeds, tiny seed, big anti-inflammatory power. Let's break it down. Chia seeds, loaded with nutrients, but what really matters for inflammation is this: omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based protein. Let's start with omega-3s. Most people are drowning in omega-6 from fried foods, processed snacks, and seed oils. That's a problem, because omega-6 is pro-inflammatory. But chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of ALA omega-3, which helps restore that balance and bring inflammation down. Then there's the fiber, around 11 grams in just 2 tablespoons. That's massive. Fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, and when your gut is happy, inflammation stays low. Finally, chia seeds are packed with polyphenols and antioxidants, which help protect your cells from oxidative stress, a key driver of chronic inflammation. What 1 tablespoon a day actually does? Let's talk results. Here's what studies and real-world examples show about the effect of chia seeds on inflammation. 1. Lowers C-reactive protein, CRP. CRP is a blood marker of inflammation. In one study, participants who consumed chia daily saw a drop in CRP levels after just a few weeks. 2. Improves joint stiffness and mobility. People with conditions like rheumatoid arthritis reported less morning stiffness and joint pain after adding chia to their diet consistently. 3. Reduces belly bloat and digestive inflammation. The soluble fiber in chia forms a gel in your gut, helping regulate bowel movements and calm irritated digestion. Supports heart health. Inflammation doesn't just affect joints, it also inflames blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart disease. Omega-3s from chia help calm that. 5. Boosts brain function. Chronic inflammation impacts your brain too. That foggy feeling, it's real. And the anti-inflammatory nutrients in chia help sharpen mental clarity. Chronic inflammation is like a slow fire. You don't feel it burning until the damage is already done, but the right foods can act like water, quietly putting it out before it's too late. How to take chia seeds for maximum benefit. Okay, so you're ready to try it. Great, but how you take chia seeds matters. Here's what you need to know. Soak them first. Dry chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. If you don't soak them, they'll expand in your stomach. which can cause discomfort or even worsen gut inflammation. Soak 1 tablespoon in half a cup of water or almond milk for 20 to 30 minutes. Overnight is even better. Morning or night. If inflammation keeps you feeling sluggish in the morning, take them first thing. If joint pain and sleep issues are the problem, try taking them at night, about an hour before bed. Add anti-inflammatory boosters. Want to level up your chia intake? Mix them with turmeric, ginger, blueberries, or green tea for even more inflammation-fighting power. Don't go overboard. More isn't always better. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Excess fiber can cause bloating or interfere with medication absorption if you overdo it. Real example. Sarah's joint pain. Turnaround. Sarah, 52, had been dealing with chronic joint pain in her knees and fingers for over 5 years. She tried meds, creams, even cutting out gluten. Nothing worked long term. Then she started adding 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds to her morning smoothie. Within 3 weeks, she noticed her stiffness in the morning was way less intense. By week 6, she could walk upstairs without holding on to the railing. No magic, no hype, just consistency with the right food. What you really need to know. Here's the bottom line. You don't need to overhaul your entire life to fight chronic inflammation. But if you do one simple thing consistently, like adding chia seeds daily, it creates a ripple effect. Better gut health, less joint pain, clearer skin, more energy, sharper thinking, and it costs less than your morning latte. Chia seeds aren't just trendy, they're functional food medicine. And 1 tablespoon a day might be the easiest health habit you've ever started. So if you're tired of feeling tired, if your joints ache, your brain's foggy, or your body just feels off, look at what you're feeding your cells. Because what you eat isn't just fuel, it's information. And chia seeds, they send your body a very clear message. Calm down, heal, restore. 1 tablespoon at a time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this content matters. And if you want more real, no-hype info on anti-inflammatory foods and holistic wellness, hit subscribe and turn on that bell. And hey, try adding chia seeds to your routine for the next 7 days and drop a comment below with what you notice. Let's heal naturally.